How's it going, YouTubers? Electron Man. Well, we got a cool one today we're going to do. We're going to do a little unboxing of it's called a PLACUY. I think it'd be PLACUY is how you pronounce it. Sometimes on these, I don't know exactly how to pronounce it. But anyway, this is a cool little product that I got here. You know me, I got cameras there. Well, if you don't know me, I got cameras. I like to monitor things. And especially, you know, I do a lot of electronic repair, etc. But this is a little doorbell, or you know, it's kind of like a Ring or some of those other brands. But I actually think this is kind of cooler, and I picked up. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and do a little review on it and see what we think about it. And like I said, you can pick it up very reasonable on Amazon, and I think it's a great competitor for them other ones without the brand name. You know how it is when you have to pay for brand names. Anyway, let's see. Let's go ahead and open it up. I like the boxing so far. There we go. I like the box. Logistics gets an A for the box. This is a nice box. Okay, we got a, oh cool, we got a little template here for mounting it, which, you know, you're going to mount it, run it around your door somewhere. I mean, basically this is a doorknob camera, as they would call them, or a front door camera. And there's a little template. You just stick that down, and then you know where to drill your holes to put your 2 screws in. Cool. It's got a little 24-hour maintenance or warning sticker. That's always handy to have. Let the thieves know they're being watched. Not always thieves, but anyway, let it know it's being surveilled. Owner's manual here. And let's go ahead and get her out of here. This right here is the doorbell, which is one of the reasons I thought it was really cool. Some of the name brands, you don't get a doorbell. At least not a true doorbell. I mean, this you can mount somewhere. It's got some sticky tape. You just mount it somewhere inside your house where you want to get notified, and you know it's a ding dong doorbell chime. And of course, it's got a charging cable here. Here's some mounting screws. Which, when I say charging cable, this one's cool. I know a lot of them use batteries, you know, and you get kind of expensive putting batteries on. This one actually, one of the things I really liked about it is that it actually charges. So you charge it up, and then they say it'll run about 3 months. Of course, that depends on how much you use it and how much, you know, you have activity in your front door. But you know, they say about average about 3 months before you have to recharge it again. And you recharge it, you don't have to replace the batteries on it. You just charge it. So I think that's a really nice feature. It looks like it comes with the little tool to open the back up. This is where you mount it at. Some batteries for the chime here. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got here. So it's got a little special Allen wrench there. There we go. Yeah, see, this has got a screw that goes down, and this is the little bracket that you mount against your wall here, and then this just slides on there like this, slides up, and then you secure the screw right there, which I would definitely suggest securing the screws so somebody doesn't walk off with your camera. I like that it's secure to where it would be hard to take. It slides off like that, and that's what that little template is there for. As you can see, the template will match. See, the template will match those holes. So then you figure out where you want it, you set the template up against it, drill it and mount it, which I'll go ahead and do that here in a minute, but we're going to go ahead and kind of go through the rest of the camera before we do that. It's sealed, so there is no taking the battery out. On this side here you have, which this is IP97, I think, water resistant, so it is resistant to be outside. There's your charging port, which I think it says it takes about 2 hours to charge. Well, I'm going to have to go ahead and charge it. As you know, I just opened it up. I haven't even pulled the paper off it. And you can also put an SD card in. If you don't want to use cloud, you can put your storage in the SD card, which I think I will do. I don't really care for clouds. Of course, you'll still use the phone to monitor everything, but I can record it local instead of messing with the cloud. It's your choice. But anyway, let me go ahead and stop this right now, and I'm going to go ahead and charge it up, and then we'll move forward on it. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I got her all charged now. By the way, when you hook up the little USB charger for this, it's got a little light right up in there, and you'll see it. It's red, and it'll turn blue whenever it's completely charged. So we got her charged now. I'll go ahead and put an SD card in. I don't know if I got one handy. Let's go ahead and move on with the rest of it, and I'll find an SD card here in a little bit. But now that we got her charged, we're going to go ahead and go through the process of getting the application to work on the phone. Which, if you can tell here, we've got in the manual. This is where you download the app. So all I need to do is open my phone here, do a scan on that barcode. Do it from the App Store. That way it's verified. 54 megabytes. Okay, it is downloaded now. Now it's installing. It's installed. We'll do an open. Okay, I'm going to need to create an account. So create a new account. Okay, I agree to that. Okay. Next. Name. Create a password. Confirm password. Done. And now I want to add a device. So now I've got it installed and signed in. So I add a device, and it's going to be a okay. It's going to be a smart doorbell, and I'm going to click smart video
Please
doorbell.
Follow the instruction manual to power on the device.
Okay, I just hold it for a second, it says, or 2 seconds. Okay, we powered it up. Actually, I need to pull that plastic off of it too. Hold on here. Let's get the joy of doing that. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's always fun. Okay, got a red blink in here. Okay, so it's ready to pair. I'm gonna hit next.
Press the bell button and tap next.
Press the bell button. Okay. Press next.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
I don't see the reset button. It says it shows it's on the side here. It's flashing red anyway. I don't think I'm going to have to reset. There's a reset button, but I don't think I'm going to have to reset it. It's already flashing red. And then click next.
Select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your password.
Okay, so I'm going to select my Wi-Fi network. Put the password in it. Okay.
Please remove all film from the lens. Tap next to show a QR code and let your device scan the code.
Okay.
Keep your phone 5 to 8 inches from the lens.
So now it says I want to hit next here, and then it's going to put a code there that I'm going to show in front of the camera. So hit next. There's the deal. Put it right there. I already got it. It made a cuckoo. So it successfully scanned it. It says,
please wait a moment.
It says connected. There we go. My device. It says installed door at appropriate height.
Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation. Press next to enter network diagnostic.
Getting video.
Getting video.
Yeah, here.
Video. Yeah, I hear video. Yeah, I hear video. Yeah, I hear video. Yeah, I hear video.
Wow, that's a nice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Shh. Okay. Awesome. Then you can do family management, so you can add people to it. Just giving you all the rest of it. Well, that's it, guys. That's the whole install. Hello?
Hello?
Well, I'm really impressed with the picture quality. Let me turn it down so you can see it. Let me see if I can do full screen here. See if you get that. Hello. Man, that's awesome. I'm liking that. Wow. That was super easy. I guess the only other thing we need to do is go ahead and connect the doorbell, which I think it doesn't say anything about if I have to add it to it. I'm going to put the batteries in it. That's one of the reasons I bought it. I thought it was cool. It actually has a doorbell too that you can put inside, so you know when somebody's knocking. I mean, it's a doorbell. You know what a doorbell's for. Pretty loud too. Okay. Slide the cover back on there. Wow, you have different doorbell tones too. I like that one. You can adjust the volume. And also, you can run it off a USB, but don't run a USB and batteries. I'll run it off batteries. I don't have that many people hitting the doorbell, so batteries probably last a long time. But let's see now. Then I'm guessing you just hit the. Look at that. Is that not cool? That's awesome, man. Okay, guys, let me stop this. Show you how this works. I'm really liking this. I'm totally impressed with this. For the price range, this thing's rocking. It's got this internal doorbell, so I could put this on the counter somewhere in the house where I want it to be heard. Or you could, mount it if you wanted to. And then, of course, I'm going to mount this on the outside. And then it just sets outside like that, which is rechargeable, lasts about 3 months. But if somebody walks up and they want to ring your doorbell, watch what happens here. It lets me know on the phone, so that I answer it, and then I can answer it like you have a visitor. Answered it. And it's loading the picture. And then you say, hey, hello, what do you need? No, I'm not buying any of that junk. Anyway, guys, that's super cool. And you can hear it through the speaker on the doorbell too. Awesome, guys, awesome. I'll do one of that last part. We'll go. I'll get it mounted, and then we'll kind of see what it looks like looking out. But totally impressed. It's got a little tamper thing here too that it'll know if somebody tries to pull it out on you or take it off. It'll notify you. So I think that pretty much covers it all, guys. Other than getting it mounted, and I'll come back on that. We're going to go ahead and install it now. Basically, here's your little plate. It had the template there, but I kind of got a really good place where I could mount it. And I didn't really need a template because I could just set it up there. Now we just want to mount the bracket, which little secure things on top, so I know that. Get a screw started here. That part's done. Now all we gotta do is take the camera. It just slides on the bracket like that. Go ahead and tighten up the security screw on the top, so it can't come off. It won't come off. Voila, we're done. One installed camera. Now all I gotta do is hit the doorbell. And she is rung. And there I am, guys. Hi. Done. Just like that, guys. Camera. Looks nice too. That's how we did it, just like that. Simple as you get out. I'm gonna enjoy this. I'll see if I can't download a picture for you so you get a good idea of the video quality. Other than that, I think I'm done with this. Okay, guys, this is the doorbell camera. All installed. Thought I would finish the video showing you what it looks like for real in person. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and as always,